This is the best way to start a day. The water is lapping on the beach. We have a day packed full of adventure, exploring the islands out on a boat. But first, we need to have breakfast. So this is my caramelised grilled banana French toast. The first part of this recipe is to grill our bananas. We picked up these beautiful little local bananas. They aren't too overripe. The key there is to have them nice and firm because we are grilling them on the barbecue. You don't want them to fall apart. So I'm just separating them and then we'll just split them in half. So I find the easiest way to split these in half is usually how I butterfly a prawn. If you put the pointy end of your knife down into the middle of the banana and then slice through. Then spin the banana around and then slice in the other side too, and it separates right in half. Okay, so I'm just going to sprinkle on a little sugar. You can use brown sugar or I'm just using caster sugar here. This will get those beautiful caramelized toffee-like flavors on the banana, but it also helps to stop the banana from sticking to the grill. Our traveller has been preheating for about 15 minutes, so we are ready to go on with our bananas. So I'm just placing these bananas on cut side down and just grilling them over high heat for 2 minutes, just until they're nice and caramelized, flipping them over and then cooking them for a further 2 minutes. If the bananas do stick a little, just use a spatula to help lift them off. While the bananas are grilling, they're smelling amazing. I am going to get my egg mix ready. So I'm just going in with 4 eggs, half a cup of cream, a little bit of vanilla, some cinnamon and a touch of sugar just to bring out that sweetness. Just give that a quick little whisk. We just want to bring all those ingredients together. You can really play around with these ingredients. Maybe you want to use milk instead of cream, or even just skip out the vanilla and cinnamon and sugar if you want to create a savoury style French toast. Look at that stunning sugar that has completely turned into a toffee. It's going to be amazing on these bananas. Before we dip our bread, I am just going to toast some of this coconut. These are beautiful shaved coconut flakes. Pop this on the barbecue just in a disposable drip pan. We'll leave it over medium heat for about 4 minutes just until they have a nice brown colour. Here is our delicious bread. I always like just using white bread. You can use up any day old stale bread. It's perfect for this recipe. So we'll just go in, dip it, flip it around. And then I might need 2 hands for this. Get out of our mix and just back onto the plate. Have a look at our coconut. It's nice and brown. Make sure you stay really close to the barbecue because it can burn so quickly. To get our barbecue ready for the French toast, we just need to turn the heat right down to low. To get these on, we just need to let the excess egg droop off and then we can spray both sides with a cooking oil spray. Then they're ready to go straight onto the cooking grill. We'll leave them cook for about 2 minutes aside or just until they have these beautifully golden grill marks. Look at that. What a delightful way to start the day. I can't wait to eat these and then I'm going to be ready to feed the adventure. How brilliant. Who would have thought you can cook French toast right outside on the cooking grill on your barbecue? These are going to be so delicious. We have our stunning caramelized banana, our perfectly toasted French toast, and then our deliciously golden little crispy bits of coconut. All we need is a lot of maple syrup and a cheeky bit of cream. This is paradise.